When we talk about betting, it could be a dangerous thing. But in this video, betting will let you win big because you will be betting and investing in yourself. Part of building wealth is making sacrifices and measures that are uncommon for ordinary people. It's like playing a game with and on yourself where the end goal is for you to win big not just in business but also in improving your mindset. Welcome to Nova Society, the world's best finance channel for personal finance. If you are interested in this kind of video content, then this is the perfect channel for you. Make sure to like this video, click the subscribe button, and turn on the notification bell to keep you updated on our recent uploads. Assume that you are right. Some people possess the ability to perceive what is missing, while others focus on what already exists or what could be. When others doubt your vision, it is because they are unable to see what you can envision. This is why many will discourage you from even attempting, as your ideas may seem elusive to them. Yet, deep down, you know your capabilities and the truth of your vision. Act accordingly and provide tangible evidence to those who doubt you. Embrace the belief that you can manifest your reality through hard work, intelligence, discipline, and creativity. Use this conviction to prove them wrong and showcase the reality you are capable of creating. Have faith in yourself and embrace the challenge as a bet worth winning. Prove them wrong. Spend money learning new skills. A writer with 3 decades of experience will outperform someone armed with the latest gadget in writing because of the knowledge they have accumulated over the years. Mastery in writing involves grasping the needs and wants of the readers, the diversity of writing styles, and the ability to catch the attention of the readers, which are refined through repeated mistakes and continuous improvement. You can broaden your skill set and leverage the combination of multiple abilities. For instance, excelling in both writing and sales enables you to market yourself and your creations uniquely compared to others. Many people today tend to focus on a single skill, influenced by the industrial era specialization concept that rewarded mastery of a particular task. However, in the present era of information abundance, diverse skills hold greater value. The more skills you acquire, the greater their potential to complement and amplify one another, providing you with a competitive advantage that sets you apart from the crowd. Trust your gut. Deep within you sits a reservoir of ancestral genetic heritage, shaped by the experiences of countless generations. It is difficult for our limited minds to fully grasp the depth of this gene memory. These are the genes that now reside within your very being. Among the many gifts they have bestowed upon you, one stands out: your gut feeling. This intuitive sense is an ancestral legacy, guiding you towards what feels right and what doesn't. It invites you to see its call, urging you to take action. It serves as a defense mechanism, alerting you when something seems suspicious. The more you rely on and analyze the outcomes of your gut feelings or intuition, the stronger it becomes. With each decision you make, your intuitive capabilities improve, shaping the course of your life. Trust your instincts when it comes to evaluating people, and you will find that you rarely go astray. Invest in yourself. Investing in yourself means dedicating resources like time, effort, and money to enhance your value. An investment should either appreciate over time or generate a profit. You may spend a lot in purchasing things that you think would be helpful to you, and this is an important part of the process. Investment doesn't only apply to material things like the books that would help improve your mindset, the things that you could use to enhance your skills, perhaps cookingware, an expensive pen, a new camera, or even a new computer. Investing in yourself also means paying for seminars that would further enhance your knowledge of the things that you need to learn more or to further enhance your knowledge about your skills. You see, investing in yourself is very important for you to win big in life. Don't expect others to be your ticket out. The key principle of placing faith in yourself is understanding that you alone hold the responsibility for your future. Many people rely on and wait for others to be their saviors, hoping for someone to grant them opportunities and pave their path to success. However, you cannot count on an inheritance, your boss retiring and handing you their business, or receiving unexpected wealth from a distant benefactor. It often takes a lifetime for people to realize that no one is coming to rescue them. No one will bestow upon you the life you envision, prioritize your health, or make you wealthy. All of these accomplishments must be pursued and achieved by your efforts. Make yourself rich. If you don't have ownership in the company you work for, aside from your salary, you're not building value for yourself. Many people go to work, contribute value to benefit their employers, and return home to indulge in television. Years pass by, and they realize they haven't accomplished much or have much to show for their efforts. Take a moment to evaluate the percentage of time you spend creating value for others versus yourself. If the answer is 0, it might be worth reconsidering. An essential piece of advice to consider is what you do with the money you earn. If your earnings immediately flow to others, you will never build wealth. Your income should be allocated towards things that increase or at the very least maintain their value, rather than being spent recklessly. Do the thing you were meant to do. If reality feels dull, uninteresting, or even irritating, and you find yourself yearning for something else, it's a sign of a burning desire within you. When you go to bed at night, your mind wanders to a happy place where you're engaged in activities you wish you could do in real life. In such a situation, it may be time to quit and pursue that passion wholeheartedly. Embrace the opportunity, especially if you're young, as life is meant to be an exciting adventure. Live in a way that creates a story worth sharing. Remember, the reality you experience now will always be there if you choose to return to it. However, once you catch a glimpse of life on the other side, where you're doing what you were destined to do, you'll never want to come back. Seize the moment and embark on the path that fulfills your deepest aspirations. Gather the right tools. Life, as an ongoing experiment, aims to make you stronger so that the next generation can thrive. This means that life will present you with the difficulties that your generation needs to confront to overcome them collectively. In the past, our ancestors faced challenges like finding food, securing shelter, and harnessing fire. During the industrial era, the focus shifted to efficiently distributing goods and sustenance to a rapidly growing population. In the present, our challenges revolve around mental resilience, climate change, and personal fulfillment. True strength wouldn't exist if it were not accompanied by hardships on an individual level. Each person fights their own battles, but rest assured, there are solutions available. Your task is to identify the right tools for the job and acquire the knowledge to effectively utilize them. Don't fall for shortcuts. At any given moment, people will often mask outcomes as opportunities. If your goal is to build wealth, they will market get-rich-quick schemes to you. If you aim to improve your health, they will promote magical weight loss products. If beauty is your desire, they will sell you makeup and miracle creams. However, deep down, you recognize that tea alone won't grant you a six-pack, and joining a pyramid scheme won't make you wealthy, regardless of what the persuasive Triple Diamond Emerald member claims at the hotel meeting. There are no shortcuts to reaching meaningful destinations, and you are well aware of it. So to win big in life, don't ever fall for shortcuts, as there are no shortcuts to success. Go for nonlinear outcomes. Asymmetric risk is the reason why a small portion of the population achieves success compared to the majority. Betting on yourself entails putting in the necessary effort, knowing that the desired outcomes will eventually materialize. Let's consider the difference between entrepreneurs and employees. An employee goes to work and receives a paycheck after 2 weeks of work. On the other hand, an entrepreneur embarks on a business venture, investing months of work with little immediate reward. Even as progress starts to manifest, it may seem insignificant compared to the effort exerted. However, while employees experience linear outcomes, entrepreneurs have the potential for nonlinear results. In the initial stages, the entrepreneur invests considerable effort and time with minimal earnings, while the employee receives regular compensation. But once the foundation is established, the entrepreneur can scale up their business, with every ounce of effort leading to exponential results. Over time, the entrepreneur's progress skyrockets, symbolized by the ascending blue line. This is the essence of betting on yourself, even when the alternative may initially appear safer. Admit you have a problem and get help. Betting on yourself often involves confronting the reality of your life and its trajectory. If your current path doesn't align with your goals, it may be necessary to seek help. It takes genuine strength to acknowledge the impact your actions have on yourself and your loved ones and to recognize the need for external support. In this situation, have faith in your capacity to change. Embrace the process, follow the necessary steps, and allow yourself to become a remarkable story of resilience. By doing so, you can rekindle the possibilities that life has to offer. If you don't understand it, don't invest. Betting on yourself entails placing your bets on endeavors where you have control over the outcome. Avoid falling into the trap of chasing wins that are beyond your control, as they are often just attempting to exploit and take your money. People may present various opportunities to you, but many of them may not even understand those opportunities themselves. As a general rule, focus on what you know, understand, and can personally influence. Having control over the outcome is crucial when it comes to shaping the life you desire. We understand that some of you have experienced extraordinary events, and we welcome the opportunity for you to share your valuable insights. One way of indeed winning big is by improving yourself through betting and making little sacrifices. These ways are just some of the effective ways for you to win big in life. In the end, you will only win big if you are determined and patient enough during the process. If you want to learn more about personal finance and generational wealth building strategies, visit our channel and subscribe for more enlightening videos to increase your wealth.